Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about the Optimus Pad, the world's first 3D recording device. The operating system it works on is Android 3.0, which is Honeycomb. Now, on the device itself, I'm just going to display it here so you can see the screen. You've actually got here different screens you can go back and forth from, and quite easy to customize depending what you download on the device. A couple of shortcut options on the handset to make it easy to navigate around. You've got your go back, home key, and multitasking key. It tells you what I've been using on the handset currently or looking at. On the top right hand corner, you've actually got more additional tools. So you've got your app section, which is one big folder which keeps everything you do on the handset. As you get more and more, it gives you a list view of everything, as you can see. So I'm just going to go back out of that and take you to another screen. I tap on the plus symbol. It allows you to look at all 5 screens which you've got on the first screen, and it's quite easy to customize on this handset. So if I go onto the widgets, it tells you obviously what's in the relevant folders, how big the files are in the folders. If I work myself all the way across, you can then see obviously what's in apps, shortcuts, wallpapers, and more. To customize the screen from this menu here, I can just tap any icon on here, it jumps forward into that screen. Yeah? So it's quite easy to customize depending what you want to customize that screen with. So it's very, very easy to do. Coming out of that, okay, as you can see in the handset, it's very, very minimum. There are not very many buttons on the handset apart from the volume key there. On the side of the handset as well, you've also got speakers, okay? The speakers on here, which help when you're viewing on the handset and playing back media content. So you've got that on there as number 1. You've also got on the handset 2 there, which supports it. So whichever way you're viewing the handset, you can still hear the sound and quality as well, which is decent. In terms of camera, you do have a 2 megapixel front-facing camera on the device, which is great for video calling, right in the corner there, as you can see. And at the back, it has 2 5 megapixel cameras, okay, which help with the video capture and the power LED flash to support it as well for doing video recordings. Now the 2 5 megapixel cameras are on there for a particular reason. It's all to do with the recording in 3D, which I mentioned at the beginning. So it is the world's first 3D recording pad, as I mentioned. To go into the recording aspect, you go back into the app section, you go into 3D camcorder, and then from there it will load up the menu option required. Now because it's obviously connected up to HDMI, it won't play it at the moment, but it will automatically load it up for you to go into the menu to record it. To view content, if you look on the screen, you've actually got here one actually already hooked up, so I've told you how to get to it, but you've got the cameras automatically recording people live walking into the centre, okay, and then it's connected via HDMI onto this, and the settings are already programmed to this device, which I might add is also 3D TV. 3D device, 3D TV. Consumers can actually pick it up and use the glasses to view content back on the TV. So you can record on here and view through TV. Okay, so very decent in terms of that as well.
And the hardware specifications?
The whole specifications on the handset as well. So in terms of weight, it's 630 grams in weight, so it's not very, very heavy at all. Screen size, 6.8 inch in diameter as well, as you can see. So a good size screen, which goes back to convenience and usability as well on the device.
The processor and memory as well?
Yeah, 12.8 millimeters thin, as I say. The processor, you've got NVIDIA Tegra 2 chipset, which is a dual-core chipset, which helps. It's 2 1 GHz processors, which help with the whole running of the device. Because it's a good multimedia device in terms of web browsing, looking at pictures, playing videos back in 1080p, and so on via HDMI, it needs strong processors to run the device and not slow down as well. In terms of memory on the device, it supports up to 32 gigabytes, which actually got built in on the device itself, and you cannot expand it. 32 gig is built in. And bearing in mind, it's going to start with a family of handsets going to come out, okay? Family of handsets going to come out.
Do you know when it's arriving in the UK?
No confirmation yet. We're told we could say within the next 6 months it's going to be coming to markets in the first half of this year, because different markets, everywhere you go, different marketing campaigns and so on. So it's quite hard to say, but we're told we could say within 6 months it's going to be launched into the market. So what's giving you a flavour of what's to follow and the direction in which you're going moving forward.
Okay, thank you.